Oh, what happened to this thing? It's all dirty. Anyway, there's the milkshake machine. Here are the milkshakes. I bought a cotton candy milkshake. There it is. The good times roll. Alright, now I just have to open it. Like so. Insert it into the machine. And it's in there. And there it goes, getting sucked up into the machine. Yeehaw! I wish I had actual video of it getting mixed right here. It would be cool. Right. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do it, do it, do it.
I love you.
And there's thing here. And these guys. Getting one of these straw thingies. It's making a bunch of noises. Hey, Godzilla is in theaters May 16th. And voila, instant milkshake. It's descending. It's descending from its transformation. There we go. And we have touchdown. Yahoo! Never seen a blue milkshake before. Mmm, looks delicious. Oh, there it is. For real?